Welcome to our comparison of the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F and the B850-A gaming motherboards. In this video, we will dive into the specifications and features of both motherboards, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, understanding these differences is crucial for making an informed decision. Let's get started. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F features an AM4 socket, making it compatible with 3rd Gen and 5000 series AMD Ryzen CPUs. In contrast, the B850-A utilizes the newer AM5 socket, supporting the latest Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors. This difference in socket compatibility is crucial for users looking to future-proof their builds. When it comes to memory, the B550-F supports DDR4 memory up to 128 GB, while the B850-A takes a leap forward with DDR5 support, allowing for up to 192 GB and higher speeds. This advancement in memory technology can significantly impact performance, especially in memory-intensive applications and gaming. The B550-F features PCIe 4.0, providing faster data transfer rates for compatible devices. However, the B850-A is equipped with PCIe 5.0, which doubles the bandwidth, allowing for even faster SSDs and graphics cards. This makes the B850-A a more future-ready option for high-performance gaming and content creation. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F offers great value for those looking for a solid gaming motherboard at a lower price point, while the B850-A provides cutting-edge technology for those willing to invest more for future-proofing their builds. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.